A lot of people ask, how do I get every single plant in my tray or in my tent automatically watered on a timer for as little money as possible? And I tell them all the same thing. If you were on IC Mag back in the day, like you should have been, you would already know all about the pico ring. All we need is some 1/2-inch rainbird tubing, some 1/4-inch double-ended drip irrigation barbs, we need some 1/4-inch flexible tubing, and we need 1/2-inch tee. And I suppose a pump wouldn't hurt. We're going to start by taking a long section of the 1/2-inch rainbird hosing and bending it into a circle, plugging it into each ear of the tee. Then we are going to take our double-ended drip barbs and insert them into our 1/4-inch drip tubing. Then we are going to attach another section of 1/2-inch tubing for the inlet. Then it is as simple as hooking it up to the pump. When it's all said and done, your pico ring should cost you less than $40. It should water all of your plants evenly, and it will work to any size, any scale, any size tent, any size tray. Whether you want to water 2 plants, or 6 plants, or 48 plants. Hell, you could even water 69 plants. Peace.